You cannot control what other people perceive about you. Are you someone who is constantly worried as to what your friends, your family, or your peers think about you or how they perceive you? Then, my question to you is, how does it matter what others think about you? Is it going to make any difference to your life, or is it going to make your life better in any way? Instead, it only adds on more anxiety, restlessness, and a constant worry in your mind. So, why would you even want to consider what the others judge, think, or perceive about you? When you know that something does not make you feel good, why would you insist on walking the same path? The best thing to do is to ignore, walk away, and to tell yourself, I am what I am and no one knows me better than myself. So, every time the question of what might someone think arises in your mind, stop and ask yourself, is this going to make me any better? If yes, then you know you have a job cut out for you to bring about the change in you, which will help you make yourself better, right? For example, if people perceive you to be a very gullible person, because of which you get manipulated to do a lot more work as compared to someone else, then in this scenario, you have a huge lesson to be learned. However, the most important thing to learn is to make your stand when you do not agree with someone. As you make this a habit, you will one day realize that you have now reached a point where you have full control over what you want to do and what you do not. You have full control on whether you have to agree or disagree, and full control over your decisions. So, learn not to consider all the judgment, perceptions, or thoughts people have about you and immediately rush to make changes. Take a moment, contemplate, ponder, and decide what you need to consider and what you need to disregard, and then move ahead to make the changes. End of the day, we all get judged, but it all depends upon us as to whether we should consider all the judgments made at us and react, or consider only the ones which will help us become better in our life.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Simple as that.